This tutorial review will show you how to enable or disable TikTok restricted mode. Open your TikTok app, go to your profile, tap on this hamburger menu at the top right, tap on settings and privacy, tap on content preferences, tap on restricted mode. To enable it, tap on turn on, set a passcode, tap on next, confirm the passcode, and that's how we can enable TikTok restricted mode. To disable TikTok restricted mode, tap on this hamburger menu, settings and privacy, content preferences, restricted mode, tap on turn off, enter here your passcode, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.